Hey folks, well, we made it on our first service call here with our new paint job. The 74 F350 is alive again. Yeah, buddy Kenny, he had some electrical issues. He's planting corn now with his seed buggy, and we got it sorted out. Wasn't too big a deal. But yeah, we got it. Wasn't even planning on, I wasn't planning on going out with it yet. I got to put I got new tires ordered for it coming in this coming week. I need to put plates on the thing before we get too crazy. There's my new welder. Went with the Hobart Champion Elite 225. And from what little I've used, I think we're going to get along great. That welder it's just like me. It's simple as can be. You got 4 switches there. That's it. There's no digital stuff other than the hour meter. But simple, simple, simple. It makes electricity for welding and for power. It's all I need. And right there's where I have it burn 1/8" rods. So, which is what we burn most of the time. And we got the new torch. We got a new seat cover. Check that out, man. That's an Edelbrock. I bet you guys didn't know Edelbrock had seat covers. That thing fits perfect. Tell you what, it's comfortable too. And cost effective. Airline dryer. Yep. Glad to get her out. 110 outlets. Nice. That old truck rides good too. I'd kind of forgot that. Of course, it's loaded all the time, but that old truck just rides good. Well, folks, we'll see you on the next adventure. There'll be more. Talk at you later.